You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Here is the German pronunciation of these type of dumplings from Central Eastern Europe, Germany in particular. So we want to learn the German pronunciation here, the way it's said in Germany. Knödel. Yes, the K is pronounced indeed, it's not Knödel. Knö, you have the O umlaut, which is pronounced Ö. Knödel. How to pronounce in German, Knödel. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.